Drew McIntyre has proven to be one of the most cruel competitors to ever enter a WWE ring. Small wonder they call him a Terminator.
These guys are undoubtedly going to give us a show here tonight.
Powerbomb planted.
Cover here. Very curious move to go for a pinfall at this point.
Wow. Kick to the gut.
Nice offense from Drew McIntyre.
Not looking good right now. Uncorked a big punch.
Saw what he had in mind there.
Oh, incredible height.
Drew McIntyre can't be enjoying this. Vertical suplex.
Nice.
And he goes for the pin. Plenty of fight left.
Gonna take a whole lot more.
When it comes to in-ring competition, Drew McIntyre is a simple...
Oh, could be nap time.
Uh-oh, can't breathe, can't fight.
Great job breaking the hold there.
Good thing, too. That could have been ugly, Michael. Ooh, that's how you dominate your opponent.
He's taking some good hits.
He had to be prepared to take some damage tonight.
Sit-out pile driver. Oh, foot just stomping down. Drew McIntyre looking for the pin. Didn't have to dig very deep to kick out of that one.
Clearly not enough damage done.
Had it scouted. Sleeper hold locked in.
Drew McIntyre is in a bad way.
Whoa, he works his way out.
He just cannot be caught.
Oh, man. So an early pin attempt. Drew McIntyre gets the shoulder up.
McIntyre still in this.
Brought in the hard way. Big right hook.
Striking combination. This looks like the setup, too.
Drew McIntyre is bleeding profusely now.
And look, it hung up on the second rope.
Look at this aggression. McIntyre tying up the legs. Up and...
Oh, haven't seen this in a long time. The old...
driven down from McIntyre.
Giving a piece of her mind now.
I'm not so sure she can afford to do that, Cole.
Drew McIntyre looks like he's really struggling under this pressure. This could do it. Near fall after near fall. What a battle. Big boot. He's calling for it. Uh-oh. Future shock DDT.
This is his chance. Will he seize the moment?
Oh, Drew McIntyre did it. McIntyre just showing he's stronger and hungrier than anyone in WWE.
here is your winner, Drew McIntyre.
And it's a win here tonight for Drew McIntyre.
Drew McIntyre's return to dominance continues with that big win.
I couldn't agree more. What an amazing contest that was.